California has ordered chemical giant Monsanto to pay $2 billion to a couple who say they contracted cancer after using the commonly used weed killer Roundup. The award was the latest in a series of court defeats for Monsanto over Roundup. The company insists that the glyphosate-based product is not linked to cancer. Earlier this year, a U.S. jury found that glyphosate-based weed killer Roundup was a substantial factor in causing cancer. This was the second such court ruling against the maker in less than a year. The couple's legal team described the damages award as historic. The couple will get $55 million extra to compensate for medical expenses.
They weren't giving us any choice because from their ads, we felt that it was incredibly safe to use. We've been fighting cancer for 9 years now, longer than me, and it was caused by Roundup.
Truth, the homeowners get more exposure, and we've proved that in this trial, because homeowners were never warned to wear protective gloves, to wear a protective suit. They simply, Alberta wore shorts because she saw the man in the TV ad wear shorts.
And it is the biggest payout against the company Monsanto over the commonly used weed killer Roundup, and the third case they have lost. In a statement, the German agrochemicals giant Bayer said it was disappointed with the jury's decision and would appeal the verdict. Bayer had acquired U.S. company Monsanto last year for $63 billion.
They paid $63 billion to buy Monsanto, and by they I mean Bayer. They have the resources to pay for this case and the tens of thousands of other people out there who have cancer. They just need to get the will to do it.
Well, similarly in India, Johnson & Johnson has been in the dock for adopting double standards when it comes to compensating patients. Patients with faulty hip implants sold by a subsidiary of the pharma giant Johnson & Johnson had been expecting to receive damages. In the U.S., a hefty compensation of almost $300,000 has been offered to 8,000 U.S. citizens. But in India, Johnson & Johnson has offered to pay a measly $27,000 per patient.